Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a Defy and Inspire called Sweat is Liquid Awesome and Beauty Big Bang XL062. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2. This is Defy and Inspire, the Vita Fit line. Sweat is Liquid Awesome. Very appropriate considering how hot it's been. I'm just going to go ahead and follow this out there. I love this polish. The formula is excellent on this. I'm loving the color too, and that hollow goodness just singing to me. I love it. And it's pink. Girl's got a thing for her pink polishes. Beautiful, beautiful. Hi Woody, how you doing? So there we go. Oh, we got a hair. Had to pull that out. Sorry. It's either a fuzz or a hair. I don't know, but it's got to go. And now I'm going to go back over it because I don't want that line from where I pulled it. And now I'm going to go in with the second coat of Sweat is Liquid Awesome. Really, honest to gosh, I am so tired of sweating. I feel like I'm going to be a puddle. So we're going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Nice glossy top coat here. Get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. And I am going to go crazy on the stamping today. I'm just going to give you a heads up. So there we go. Beautiful. Look at it. I'm going to be using Beauty Big Bang XL062. It's got some layering on it. Came in this cool little card. Got some instructions on the back. I will have a link for this plate down below. This one was sent to me for review. It's got some layering on it, and then it's got some other like plaid designs, and I'm going to use a little bit of both today. I really love, now that I'm getting into the layering plates and kind of understanding, I'm loving them. I'll be using my Beauty Scraper and my Maniology Stamper. I've got my Burt's Bees all around my cuticles. And I'll be using these Crayolas, Dandelion, and Cerulean, as well as the white for my stamping today. They're not stamping polishes, but I got them for stamping. They do excellent. So I am doing like a smushy stamp today. And if you can hear this huffing and puffing behind me, that is Cotton. He is carpet surfing. I will get that on video one of these days so y'all can see him carpet surf. He's just crazy with it. So I decided to do this like kind of platy like image over on my thumbnail and my ring finger, and then I'm going to use the layered stamping on my other nails. So I'm really loving this plate. I didn't have any trouble with any of the images picking up. And I think that the images are really cute. I didn't get to use the pineapple or the leaves or the strawberries, but I did use the 3 flower ones today, and you'll get to see that in action. I'm going to use a little piece of tape to remove that excess. And then I'm going to plop that image onto my nail. Oh, I didn't put that on my ring nail. I put it on my pinky. I'm mixing things up. So I am going to start off with the white as my base stamp here. All of them are going to be done in the same order. We're going to do white, blue, then yellow. And I'm just getting with it. I am getting a lot more comfortable with these layered stamping plates. They, you know, they're just a neat idea. Adds so much more dimension, and without it being reverse stamping, it's nice to see all the different colors stamped. I really like it. So I decided today I would use these 3 flowers at the bottom of this plate and kind of play with it. I just think they're so cool. Good stuff. This flower is so pretty. I really liked how this one turned out. Still using my tape to get off the excess. And I'm out of frame again. The girls just got to get it right. I did move my setup around a little bit yesterday, so hopefully some of my future videos will look better and I'll be able to stay in frame a little more. I am always working on it, guys, I promise. I don't want to be putting out inferior videos. Look how well this one lines up. It's like you can see exactly where that next one's supposed to go. And then the next one here, the yellow one I'm fixing to do, it's the same. You can tell exactly where it needs to go, where the placement is. I like that, because see, that's why I used to be confused about this layered stamping. I couldn't really tell where things were supposed to be. But that one is gorgeous. I love it. Can't wait to see it done in some different colors even. So we got a mess going on here. There we go. We're getting back to the stamping. I'm knocking stuff over in the background. Thankfully you can't see how bad it gets with me and my clumsiness. I'm going to turn this one this way. Yay! Oh, they're so pretty. And I know I'm covering up a lot of that pink, but there's still a lot of it showing, so, you know. The girl's working on it. Also, before I forget, don't forget, if you do go order from Beauty Big Bang and get this stamping plate or any other stamping plates or other nail art supplies, I do have a 10% discount code. I don't get paid by Beauty Big Bang. I don't get any kind of, you know, residuals. I don't get a percentage or anything. It's not an affiliate link. It's just a discount code for you to use. And it is, totally lose my trail of thought, pack 285. That will get you 10% off your order. So there we go. I love this. I think these are so pretty. So I'm going in with a piece of tape and getting off this excess off of my fingers. It's coming up really well. I always love it when it works out so good like that. So easy. So I am going to pop in with my cleanup brush just for a tiny bit of cleanup. Nothing big, nothing crazy. There we go. And now we've got to top coat them. So today I'm going to be using Poshe. We're going to seal this one in, dry it down. I will have a swatch photo coming up here in just a little bit to share with you. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about my manicure. Let me know if you use any of the layering plates and if you have a favorite plate that you like. Hi Woody, back again. He's back again, y'all. But I do love hearing about the plates you're using and the things you like. So let me know down below. So there's my swatch photo. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.